Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kanak, and today we are going to do yet another pick a card reading on the topic messages from your inner child. And I am very excited for this reading because I think इस टॉपिक पे मैं पहली बार करने वाली हूँ मेरे मतलब यहाँ पर रीडिंग. And yeah, let's get started with the reading. And as usual, you will have three piles to choose from. So yeah, choose the pile that you feel the most connected to, and I shall start your reading. So hello group number 2, welcome to your reading on messages from your inner child. So we will be firstly using this deck, this Moonology deck, to see what messages come from your inner child. Messages from group number 2's inner child. What message does the inner child of group number 2 would want to know them? Okay. What message would group number 2's inner child would want to know them? Would want them to know. Okay, this one. Okay. So we have cards here. Okay, so let's see. We have attend to the details. Okay, just give me a moment. मैं टैरो कार्ड्स भी निकाल लेती हूँ यहाँ पे. Yeah, this. So I'll be using the Everyday Witch Tarot to get some cards from here. Yeah, let's see. What message does group number 2's inner child would want them to know right now? Okay. Okay. What message does group number 2's inner child would want them to know right now? What message does group number 2's inner child would want them to know right now? Okay. What message does group number 2's inner child would want them to know right now? Okay, this one. What message does the inner child of group number 2 would want them to know right now? Okay, these two flipped. So I'll be taking these ones. One more. What message does group number 2's inner child would want them to know right now? Or would want you guys to know right now? Yeah. Spirit. What message does group number 2's inner child would want them to know right now? Okay. Okay, these two cards. 7 of Cups on the bottom of the deck. Okay, and this here. Yeah, so okay, so let's see all the cards. We have be humble, then we have breathe through the tension. Just gonna arrange it like this. Then we have take a breather. Okay, be real. Talk less, feel more. Lighten up. And then your tarot cards we have for you are the Ace of Wands, the Nine of Swords, the Five of Swords, not the 10 really. Yeah. Then we have the Two of Wands, the Three of Cups. Yeah. Then the Page of Cups and the Death card, the Sun card and the Six of Pentacles. Okay, so and also from the bottom of the deck for this, oh shit, हाथ से छूट रही है, relax and the Seven of Cups. Okay, so the message that I'm getting for you right now. So I think what I'm getting for you here is that कि you know, like I'll just show you, तो थोड़ा ऐसे लगेगा आपको. You know, all of these four cards, which is talk less, feel more, breathe through the tension and take a breather, and this card, relax, and the Nine of Swords that came into your spread. You know, with all of this, the first energy जो मुझे यहाँ पे आई कि I feel your inner child wants you to know that you are safe, and even if you feel like you are in a situation where you are not safe, or you know, like things are not really going in your favor or turning in your favor, so it is important for you to know that you are safe here, and you know, it is really I would say, मतलब मैं ना थोड़ी लॉस्ट भी हुई अभी, एंड आई फील कि लाइक या मतलब आई फील मैं कहीं ना कहीं आपकी एनर्जी यहाँ पे कैच करूँ, आप लोग थोड़ा लॉस्ट भी फील कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज आई थिंक यू नो, आपका ना ऐसा नेचर हो सकता होगा कि you focus on the negative very easily, and it is really important for you, matlab sorry, it is really difficult for you to focus on the positive and also important, since I said that. So ये भी एक चीज़ मुझे यहाँ पे आ रही है, एंड आई थिंक आपका इनर चाइल्ड यू नो आपको यही डायरेक्शन की तरफ लेके जा रहा है कि इट इज़ ओके इफ़ यू आर नॉट रियली एबल टू यू नो like see something happening for you. अगर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि चीज़ें नहीं हो रही है, तो you know मतलब it's okay, because यहाँ पर अगर आपको चीज़ें दिख नहीं रही है तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि चीज़ें हो नहीं रही है. यहाँ पे मुझे लग रहा है कि आपके लिए बैकग्राउंड में बहुत चीज़ें हो रही हैं, एंड वी हैव द कार्ड लाइटन अप ऑल्सो. तो कहीं ना कहीं आपको यहाँ पे बोला जा रहा है कि थोड़ा स्ट्रेस आप कम लीजिए यहाँ पे, बिकॉज आई फील योर इनर चाइल्ड इज़, आपको आपके इनर चाइल्ड को एक नोइंग है कहीं ना कहीं दैट थिंग्स आर वर्किंग फॉर मी एंड थिंग्स विल वर्क फॉर मी, whatever the reason is, या whatever circumstances are going on in my life right now, things are really working for me. I think आपकी inner child को ये knowing, and you know, like, yeah, no, it's like if I have to show you कि आपकी inner child यहाँ पे इस रीडिंग में कैसे डिपिक्ट हो रखे हैं. सो इट्स लाइक कि ओके, जैसे सो यू कैन सी दिस कार्ड 6 of Pentacles, and here you can see this lady is actually giving both of these people something, and वो दोनों चीज़ें जो वो दे रही है, इट इज़ like accordingly वो दे रही है. मे बी this person needs some money or something, and this lady needs some something to eat, or fruits or something that is like really important for her, and something that is really important for him. So I feel that यहाँ पे ना एक कहीं ना कहीं यूनिवर्स भी आपके लिए चीज़ें यहाँ पे ऐसी करवा रही है या करवाई जा रही है, which are important for you, which are important for you in some way. And that is according to, जैसे मैंने कहा कि आपके लिए सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट इस वक्त क्या है, तो वो प्रायोरिटाइज़ कहीं ना कहीं यूनिवर्स ने भी यहाँ पे चीज़ें की है. एंड आई फील आपकी इनर चाइल्ड आपको यही बता रहे हैं यहाँ पे, लाइक अदर देन द फर्स्ट मैसेज जो मुझे आया कि like things are happening for you even if you don't see it, so you don't have to be stressed. That was the first message. And the second message that I'm getting was this, that things are happening for you in an order of importance or significance, or I would say like on the priority basis according to universe. So that is what I'm getting. And one more thing that I'm getting is that like okay, so one more evidence sort of thing यहाँ पे, कि जैसे अगर आपको है कि यार चीज़ें will they change, or like are things in my life, or some situations or circumstances in my life will change, so this card is a confirmation, because death shows a change, और आई वुड से अ रीबर्थ. एक रीबर्थ वाली एनर्जी कहीं ना कहीं ये कार्ड यहाँ पे लेके आता है, मतलब लेके आता है वैसे भी, और लेके आ भी रहा है आपकी रीडिंग में. एंड वी हैव द सन कार्ड. द सन कार्ड is like it symbolizes ultimate happiness coming into someone's life, or ultimate fulfillment of whatever you want. So there is that confirmation for you. And and it's like कि okay, and आपकी inner child ये भी कह रही कि there are signs that are being given to you. Attend to the details वाले कार्ड से मुझे मैसेज आ रहा है कि there are signs being given to you, and it is really important for you to acknowledge those signs, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ओके, एंड आई फील वो साइंस कहीं ना कहीं रिवील कर रहे हैं कि हाँ चीज़ें हो रही हैं. आपको बल्क में एक एक बड़ी चीज़ नहीं दिख रही है, एक सिग्निफिकेंट या अननोटिसेबल चीज़ नहीं दिख रही है, तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि चीज़ें नहीं हो रही है. यहाँ पे उसके लिए आपको साइंस दिए जा रहे हैं. सो प्लीज़ एक्नॉलेज देम. एंड one last thing that I get for you is that I feel your inner child is really saying that if you could really try to be your own authentic self, or if you could really try to connect with your own unique, I would say, ideas about something, or a point of view about something, I think it will really help you to get the things that you want even faster. And I feel your inner child is really coming here and saying that, like, yeah, like, they are here to support you, and like, they're ready to give you those parts of your own unique self to you, if that makes sense. So I'm getting that for you. Yeah. Yeah, like, we have the page of cups, and page of cups kind of is depicting the inner child here. And you can see that this person is making something, like they have colors here, and they're trying to make something here which they feel that it is good according to them, or like something really specific to them, coming through them. Yeah. So yeah, I think. Anything else? Okay, so I think any other messages, Spirit? So I think that is all I'm getting for you, group number 2. Again, this is a general reading, so take what resonates, leave the rest. And if you like how I read cards, you can connect to me through my email ID given in the description box below. So I shall see you there if you want that, in case. And otherwise, I'm here. And I shall see you in my next reading. Until then, take care, lots of love. Bye.